Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off tiling keeper sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. Go to the dialer and here if you type any phone number, there will be sound. Okay, if you type here numbers, there will be a sound. Okay, that is called as tiling keeper sound. If you don't want this sound and if you want to turn off this tiling keeper sound, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone here, go to the settings, then go to sounds and vibration. Here go to system sound and here you will see dialing keeper button. Just turn off this and now go to the dialer here and now type any number. Here you will not hear any sound. Okay, tiling keeper sound is turned off now. So in this way you can easily turn off tiling keeper sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.